Hello dear students, today's topic is about organizing argument, and in this presentation we'll try to define the term argument itself. And an argument involves the process of establishing a claim and then proving it with the use of logical reasoning, examples, and research. The importance of organization. Why is organization important in argument? Guides an audience through your reasoning process, offers a clear explanation of each argued point, and demonstrates the credibility of the writer. So in your argument, in your essay, you have to give the title, an introduction. In the introduction, you should involve the Css statement and the body paragraphs. Body paragraphs mainly involves the 3 paragraphs, and the body paragraphs itself, body part involves 3 paragraphs, and each paragraph involves the topic sentence and the supporting ideas. And of course, the last paragraph is called concluding paragraph. And in the title, introduces the topic of discussion to the audience and generates reader interest in the argument. An example here, cleaning up campus with recycling bins or reducing rubbish recycling on campus. Imagine you just wrote a paper offering solutions to the problem of road rage. Which do you consider to be the best title? Road rage or Cannot Drive 55 and Road Rage Curing Our Highway Epidemic? The introduction acquaints the reader with the topic and the purpose of the paper. The reader, when they read the introduction, they analyze and understand what's going on in this essay. And in the introduction offers a plan for ensuing argument. This means introduction, body, and conclusion. In the introduction, the writer tries to tell what they are going to tell in the Css statement, and in the body paragraph they tell them, and in the conclusion part they tell them what you told them. And the personal anecdotes. Here are methods for constructing an introduction. You can use the personal anecdotes, example, real or hypothetical, and you can use also the questions, or you can use the quotations in your introduction, or shocking statistics like achieving the hook and the striking image. And what's the Css statement here? And it is the most important sentence in your paper. It lets the reader know the main idea of the paper. It answers the question, what am I trying to prove? And it's not a factual statement, but a claim that has to be proven throughout the paper. And the role of the Css statement. The Css statement should guide your reader through your argument. It's generally located in the introduction of the paper. A Css statement may also be located within the body of the paper or in the conclusion, depending upon the purpose or argument of the paper. And the Css practice. Here you can see choose the Css for an argument about the need for V-chips in television sets. Parents, often too busy to watch television shows with their families, can monitor their children's viewing habits with the aid of the V-chips. To help parents monitor their children's viewing habits, the V-chips should be a required feature for television sets sold in the US. This paper will describe a V-chip and examine the uses of the V-chip in American-made television sets. In the Here you should analyze about choosing the Css statement. In the Css statement, of course, you can give the idea which is going to be discussed in the body paragraph. And in the body paragraphs and topic sentence. In the body paragraph, build upon the claims made in the introductory paragraph, or are organized with the use of topic sentence that illustrates the main idea of each paragraph. Like here, tips. Offering a brief explanation of the history or recent developments of topic within the early body paragraphs can help the audience become familiarized with your topic and the complexity of the issues. So, here's body paragraphs. Body paragraphs may be ordered in several ways, depending upon the topic and purpose of your argument. The first sentence can be the general of the idea of the paragraph, main idea of the paragraph, or specific, or you can do the from most important one to least important one. And from the weakest claim, you can give in the supporting sentence strong to the strongest claim. And offering a counter-argument. Addressing the claims of the opposition is an important component in building a convincing argument. It demonstrates your credibility as a writer. You have researched multiple sides of the argument and have come to an informed decision. It shows you have considered other points of view, that other points of view are valid and reasonable. Counter-arguments may be located at various locations within your body paragraph. You may choose to build each of your main points as a contrast to oppositional claims, or offer a counter-argument after you have articulated your main claims. Consider your audience when you offer counter-argument. Conceding to some of your opposition's concerns can demonstrate respect for their opinions. Using rude or deprecating language can cause your audience to reject your position. Researched material can aid you proving the claims of your argument and disproving oppositional claims. Be sure to use your research to support the claims made in your topic sentence. Make research to work prove your argument. Conclusion. Reemphasizes the main points made in your paper. You may choose retrieve a call to action or speculate on the future of your topic when appropriate. Avoid raising new claims in your conclusion. Purdue University. Here you can do some contacts to some universities. And that was all.